Hey there! Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem involving duplicate entries in a dataset. The dataset we're working with contains information such as IDs, titles, types, and type 2. The goal is to remove duplicate entries based on certain conditions. Let's dive into the problem and find a solution that works. In order to address this problem, we have a three-step solution laid out for us. First up, we create a preference table. This table specifies the priority order for different combinations of type and type 2. For example, we assign a preference value of 0 to journal article with type 2 35, 1 to book chapter with type 2 41, and 2 to book chapter with type 2 42. This preference table will guide us in selecting the entries to keep later on. Next in our solution, we join the preference table with our dataset. By performing a left join on the type and type 2 columns, we incorporate the preference information into our dataset. This step allows us to leverage the preference values to prioritize certain entries over others during the filtering process. Moving on to the third part of our solution, we sort the join table based on the preference column in descending order. This sorting enables us to group the entries by ID and select the top entry in each group according to our predefined preferences. Finally, we drop the preference column and collect the filtered dataset, resulting in the removal of duplicate entries based on the specified criteria. To sum it up, we've successfully addressed the problem of removing duplicate entries from a dataset by implementing a thoughtful filtering approach using a preference table. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Until next time, happy coding and stay curious.